Karbi Anglong live Karbi prime time abirtang ton pen arju panikta. Kidam tang wo signify por ni Delhi pen kang bodet di Mahasaw arluso Kalitang Rosmita Hojai artaningkan ingkora trokapan. Kidam tang wo signify kep Durmir ni Uttarakhand Pauri Gharwal district arlo Langroy rialong kititang arpum kelong. Kitilot Rosmita Hojai alangli ke di Mahasaw district arlo Hojai arong asor alangli Delhi along RRB mate Railway Recruitment Board asat lang ke tok dunchia phansi damlo Rosmita Hojai alangli ke Haryana long pen engineering ke charli tame chepatang etlo lapen non namat Guwahati along APSC asat lang ke tok dunchia phansi sik chedang bom kedam tang vosi ni phai player ni Delhi along sat lang ke tok dunchia phan kedam alam alangli amithang athemasor aphan chithan tikang pami bonta kedam tang vosi ni phai por ni kang samapor apaya phan phone nang chilosi ne train pen nang kachiruilo usi chithan bonta laso kachithana bang asapso chiprejek kidokok ajoini athemasor atum kamatha kisu kidokok athe Kalitang Rosmita Hojai mentuneta apaya phan pachobai be lasi alangli phan komadni si lapuson kepaputoi bon busi honthe pon alangli kititang arpum postmortem aphan pon laso hut raikom sai khia tum koson si kitilot aputhak tarli bomahut Kalitang Rosmita Hojai kangbodet alam Sivpuri police station along kepachini damahut Delhi Mohindragar asor Hemant Sharma lapen Haryana Rotakasor Pankaj Kokar Atumaphan Sivpuri police station along Kok News report Karbi Anglong live. Kidam tang wo signify Kep Arni All Party Hills Leaders Conference Racharia Song atum pen solar project aputhak mai ke padu ponji aphan chisik ponlo kachisik pon ateng pen mai sitami padu ponlo bonta mai chengchia prang pen law and order atum dimalong an palidun si mai ke padu long le deji aphan kabor I Lakhaing ko reisi Borjan constituency angkang HDP mentiso Langki ik patua klamalong All Party Hills Leaders Conference Borjan CC pen chepater piponsi solar project aputhak mai kibi ponji pura Karbi rongasar amai Borjan na pen SGP atum mai bilong le pura lamthe chepaklang pongdo bonda wo signify kebarni APHL se hin pen mai ke padu ponji adimalong an paledamsi alang litum prang jong raikom sai khi pen danglok armu Okso atum adimalong an palidamsi mai ke padu ponlong le dejia phan pachini ponlo bonta All Party Hills Leaders Conference atum adabapor pen chingrum damsi ke ongdong armu chitong pen mai ke padu jia phan sai deng ponlo bangso hut All Party Hills Leaders Conference amai pujai kathar angtong ingtikathar Bikram hanse pen ke danglok ke ongdong APHL siklam bang photum chitong du lapusona por ahut law and order kelang charipon bokajan SDPO magistrate police lapen CRPF abitung atumta adim an paledun si mai kipabi bonlong le deji aphan bor ipon bonta All Party Hills Leaders Conference rachari asong atuma bang patoiti si malom soviet sidami solar project aputhak Asian Development Bank ahin pen loan cancel that aputhak rat kachi song pon hek pen rat ke haipu athepi en ponsi malomso a pharman sitami mai pedoponlo dilai pen bijoy rongpi Karbi Anglong live kedamdang wo signify kebarni Karbi Anglong district commissioner Nirola Phangchopi ACS pen mithang sahem conference hall along anikang sampor phai ke thom apor phirangkya mai kangni Phirangke amai along alangli pen dharti aba jan bhagidari abhiyan district along kapachi thanga sai kideng ji aputhak si tham ponlo jan jatia garav warisa ting pensi dharti aba jan bhagidari abhiyan kachirok tok asai mate kapachit hang aboha wo signify kre pho pen wo signify thongkep surihini rain kora pho an district arlo development block arlo kaprek adim kiding ponjia lam pachetak pong bangso ke pachit hang aboha jesemet inglong aso khaibari matuma phansi panonglo puta alang ri pen than pachini ponthu lason si ratang ri pen kiding asai amukha rong along kilele la pen koson si rada tum ke long dun jia lam hai hui ke than ke pachini thek jia phansi bangso abhiyan ding ponlo la bangso boha pen ajok ratang ri pen ki biawar sai ke long vek nangji apuna cha ke do atuma phan aboha ahud adimalong amatsi kinangji asai an claim pachun pf po laso ating si rada tum tami ninga klong pen kachito dun ji aphan ke pachini lo la pen ke apuna cha ke do atuma phan anutinta pangjok tekang ke det nangji pusi Karbi Anglong district commissioner pen pachini pon Karbi Anglong DC nirola phangchopi pen ke thana tengke ke pachit hanga bohalong Aadhaar kasilampi PMJAY Ayushman Bharat Health Cards Jan Dhan Yojana Bank Account Kangpu Agriculture Pen Kachira Block Asai Deng Amukha Har Ghar Nal Se Jal Matik Ki Jona Lang Ki Pia Warsai Rihing Ame Kachit Horlong Avarsai Okpran Ke Lang La Pen Tong Sakot Pen Ke Pali Avarsai Ke Charlia Hin Adaka Videji Kapek Skill Development La Pen Ke Food Mate Ration and Nutrition Schemes RDD Schemes Youth Services and Sports Forest Rights lapen kapek inglong aso khaibari matum kelong nang jia jakong aputhak ke than ke pachini ji pen ke chenglok warsai ki pg aphan akimang pensi bangso abhiyan deng loputa alang ni pen than pachini ponthu laso teng kachira block asai gama mukha atum ki jongtang adim jesemet inglong aso khaibari matum ajutang jubat lapen chenglok inglong aso khaibari maphan jakong ki pg lapen ratpang ripen kachirap ki do thekji aphan akimang pensi labang so abhiya denglo lasi Karbi Anglong district arlo ke do development block ke parlo VDC ahawarti na long tami laso ke pachithang aboha ki bg aphan ta alang ripen pachita Karbi Anglong arlo kaduk ave kretroxi VDC do laso teng dim klong ke pathik wo signify kreponi lumbajong block ke parlo sikari hanse pathua klam VDC Bhavan Longnit 10 kilo open stage Dhansiria long lapen rong plim plam rekmaro hai huya long pen ki chenglok lason si Karbi Anglong arlo ke do VDC angka kaprek adimalok kaprek arni bangso mai ke pado damji aphan DC nirola phangchu PACS pen pachetak pong asi dharti ana jan bhagidari abhiyan ke tiri ratpang ria tumpen kideng asai deng lapen PM Narendra Modi kapin khara teng pensi bangso abhiyan deng ponlo laso abhiyan ke inglong aso khaibari matuma phansi jesemet pet panong loputa alangli DC pen therangkya mayalok tangdak pon
Janasu the Karbi Anglong district administration under the 6th scheduled area of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council in a steadfast commitment to bring about inclusive and to empower the tribal people in association with the machineries of Government of India to provide all the benefit of the tribal people has undertaken at the initiative of Dharti Aba Abhijan in a mission. The broad aim of the Dharti Aba Abhijan is to ensure complete participation of the tribal people in India and to make them aware on the various developmental schemes undertaken by Government of India and make them available at their doorstep. Unlike conventional information, education and communication, in short IEC, campaigns, this initiative will patronize direct service delivery through village level and cluster level camps. This scheme will offer a range of essential services and benefits, including issuance of Aadhaar cards, ration card, Ayushman Bharat cards, PMJAY, caste and domicile certificate, Kisan credit cards, PM Kisan benefits, Jan Dhan accounts, issuance scheme, PMJJBY, PMSBY, Social Security pension, including old age pension, widow and divyang, employment scheme, MGNREGA, PM Vishwakarma, Mudra loans and welfare support for women and children, PMPMMVY, ICDS benefit immunization, among others. In Karbi Anglong district, we will be conducting camps in all the 7 developmental blocks consisting of 70 numbers of VDC, that is Village Development Committees, under the leadership of 1 nodal officer in the rank of additional district commissioner in association with designated service centers and departments. We will be conducting in such a manner and in such a place which will be accessible to all the people at all times.
News Report, Karbi Anglong Live. Kidamtang Vosing ni Pai Troxier ni GM Kok Bornihat, 14 miles Jorabat, Sonapur District Factory along Sai Kachongdat Dun, Karbi Atumapan, Tangalam Avipin Pen, Kitheng Kichok Alam Ki, Klangponlo, La Solong, Inut Karlitang, Deboram Ronghang Apan Ki, Aprantami, Armudello. Bang solam pen Karbi Anglong angkan pia long tamay hur chodutsi apran karmut vek abang pua tumapan sodak pen kangsai ki PG apan si hanglo. La solam pen Karbi Students Association Central Committee la pen aruarim atum chelangsi dipu pasten bongkrok akumlin along Karlitang Deboram rong hangapan milur pen chikimum pedosi Jesemet Inglong aso akai atumapan lapuson kachinek kaholo la pen kilang rob abang pua tumapan Prabjin pen sodak akang sai pisedak nang jibusi kehang padupon. Bang solong KSACC kongchon bang desoy teron atum pen japonsi arorin along klembang ku atum chetong dunsi bang so amai pechon pondo.
Tom tam mithang khai barim pinika chongdat dun chot pen ilitum mithang adi mateng lo tapuson si ilitum mereng hu kiso bang ke la bang so pudak he litum Karbi lu charlie song pen bang ke pinrem pon lo la pen la bang so pudak Prabjin pen ini tuman la sokang sai pitek nangji ini tum makorte Karlitang Robiram Ronghang Deboram Ronghang alang lipan la bangso adai we pin na pati putak bangkala Prabjin pen soda ka kang sai pinengi pusin ini tum mahit dan hang padupon.
News Report, Karbi Anglong Live. Tang dipini Karbi Prime Time berta kila puan si kang ton paniklo.